how to make photo and video collage reels on Instagram. Open your Instagram app, tap on the plus icon at the bottom, select reel, then tap on the camera icon. From the left sidebar, choose the collage option. Pick the layout you like. You can either record a photo or video using your camera or pick from your gallery. Tap on the gallery. Select a video if you want to place it at the top. Tap on the gallery again. Now select a photo. Tap the check mark. Tap on next. Then tap on next again. Your collage reel is ready. Tap on the share button. That's it. You have created and shared a collage reel with both photos and videos.